girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Hello?
Is the heart of a woman, yeah. Only thing that's saving you is the heart of a woman, yeah. Question is why I do the things I do. Answer I may never find, but I'll always choose you. Wanna give up on you, but damn, I know I can't. I put the blame on me for giving you chance after chance. And I try to be strong. I put your words on your life this time. And I hope your words ain't lying, 'cause only thing that's saving you is the heart of a woman, yeah. Oh yeah. Only thing that's saving you is the heart of a woman, yeah. It's my mind and my soul, pressing your pride. Nigga, check your ego, 'cause I left mine at the door just because I let it slide. Drowning all of my emotions, I let you slide in this ocean. I'm in love, and I try to be strong. I put your words on your life this time, and I hope your words ain't lying, 'cause no one can take it no more. I'm bound to walk out the door.
Most of these things I don't wanna say. I wanna be around when you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make. You're trying to come back when you face. I always want you to, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna give me a stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I wanna be around while you chase. You wanna hear me up when you make. You try to come back when you fail. I always wanna do it, but it's dangerous. You got something real amazing. You wanna give me a stop. Yeah. I was on this side, I was over all this. Hey, told me about all your insecurities for what? Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Say to me sometime, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. And like guns with the ink in you, getting under my skin. The little young thing, got a nigga confidence, got me too excited. Yeah. Play me, play me, play me. No down dirty, shameful, crazy. I need to know how the new nigga you got does the same thing I do for a living, but it's way less wavy. How you even manage to keep straight faces and all the bitches that I've seen lately? Lord knows you still look amazing. That's besides the point I'm making. You're way too opinionated. I have to force it, I have to fake it. You have potential, I could've shaped it. You went and caved in, we could've waited. I wasn't rushing, difference in ages. You're old enough, but you're still a baby. You share stories when you did amazing. Things to be loyal, things to be patient. That was before me, I must have changed it. Shifted your focus, lens looking jaded. Most of these things I wanna say, I wanna be around when you chase it. You wanna hit me up when you make it. You tryna come back when you famous.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for UNICE hair, reviewing another pre-styled unit, and today you guys, this one is completely different from all the other ones that I have reviewed, and I was really shocked by this. I was not prepared. First of all, let's get into the fact that this is a completely glueless install. This is a 13x4, and you guys, it was just absolutely perfect. I love how seamless this looks. It actually looks a lot better than some of my previous units, and this unit is a real HD lace unit, so that's part of the reason why it melted so well and we didn't have to worry about like using like lace front glue or got2b or anything like that. It just turned out so perfect, so seamless. They also made sure to bleach the knots and pluck it and everything, but I have to get into the actual construction of this unit. So the best part about this unit is that it does actually have a cap that's inside of the unit that's sewn down, and then also you have and this unit has 3 different straps on it. So you get the adjustable elastic band, the one that you can like hook in and you can take it out. You get the adjustable straps in the back, and then you also have the pull strap feature, and you have a comb. So this unit is just so secure. It's so snug. I absolutely love that about it. Love, love, love how snug it is. And not only that, you guys, but it just looks so natural. And this is just giving very much so grown. I feel very beautiful in this hair right now. I absolutely love it. I have no complaints whatsoever with this one. I think it's so pretty. Yeah, another feature that I really like about this unit is the parting space on it. You do get a really deep parting space. I'm actually going to come up a little bit closer, but I did just want to give you guys a wide shot of how everything looked. And I do currently have this in a 24-inch. It is curled right now, and I do have layers in it, especially like in the very front. That's what's like framing my face and everything. But this unit, as you guys saw, it came pre-curled already, literally ready to wear right out of the box. But I did add some layers just to frame my face a little bit. And then of course, I love the color for this one. This is a beautiful jet black color. Some units, they look like they're black, but they're really just like a really dark brown color. And sometimes they have like different shades in it, but this is just like a true jet black color. So that's one of the things that I really like about this unit outside of the construction of it. I love a beautiful jet black unit. It just looks so good whether you curl it, flat iron it, crimp it, or like no matter what you do as far as like the styling goes, it just looks a lot healthier and it just looks really good. I love this. So okay guys, so this is a nice up close look at this unit. So pretty. Love the way that I curled this one, and I just used this Conair curling iron. You guys have definitely seen me use this in a lot of my videos. I absolutely love this. It looks like a T3 curling iron, but I actually got this way before T3 was even a thing. I got this, I want to say I was like a freshman in college or something like that. It was like a really long time ago. Yeah, love this. It just gets the job done. This is a 1-inch curling iron by Conair, and I love this thing. It just gets the job done every time, especially when I'm trying to like do, you know, these kinds of curls. But this one came already like this, so I only had to do like this front piece that kind of gives you like that nice like Kim K bang type of vibe. But this is what I mean. Look at how seamless this looks. This is not glued down. You guys can see how natural the parting space is. The hair is actually really soft as well, and it doesn't have any weird smells to it. And they just plucked it so perfectly, you guys. Like I cannot get over that. Like, look how good this looks. Like, are you kidding me? And this is not a closure. This is a 13 by 4. You guys can see it goes all the way down here. And I just used the tape that's already in the unit, and I just literally just like taped it down. You just pull these pieces off. I'm gonna show you guys real quick. You just pull this off of the actual lace, and it's like a little sticky adhesive piece on there. And then the same thing with this side. It's just like it's taped down, so it's not glued down. The rest of this up here, you guys, none of this is glued. None of this is glued down. None of this up in here, none of it on the side. And I did put some makeup on the lace, okay? So if you guys are wondering, I just used this brush and this foundation. It just helps it like blend a lot more seamlessly, and this just came out so pretty. But like, look at how pretty these curls are. And then I'm gonna go ahead and show you the lace, because the lace is what's really getting this unit to like look this good. So I actually received some samples of their lace. So they gave me some transparent lace and then HD lace, just to show you guys the difference. And I do have like my fingers, and like this jumpsuit has like thumb holes, so I'm gonna take them out of there. So this is the HD lace. You see how that looks like nothing on my skin, like especially from afar, you can't even tell until I'm like really up close. You guys can kind of see that, but this is their HD lace. And then this is a transparent lace. It looks just as good as HD lace, but HD is always going to be a better option for you. So I'll put them side by side. This is HD, this, and you can kind of see through more than this, right? So I'm going to put both of them side by side on my skin so you guys can see what that looks like. It's kind of hard to do this. It's kind of hard to do both of them, but you guys kind of get the point. But this is darker obviously than this. You can actually see through this more than you can see through this. I think that's like a better way, but yeah, that's what this is made from. That's why it looks so good. So UNICE has some really good HD lace. I'm absolutely loving this. And you guys, this is an Amazon unit. Like, these Amazon units, I'm telling y'all, they have been really like eating it up, okay? But yeah, you guys, if you guys are interested in this unit, I will leave a link for it down below. But like, look how amazing that parting space is. You get a really nice deep parting space. The cap is so seamless, and I do still have like my wig cap underneath here as well. And as you guys saw, I didn't even have to use my concealer. I typically use this in all of my installs, and I didn't have to use it today. So I'm really happy that I didn't even have to use this, because it just looks so seamless, so good. Like I said, it's a completely glueless install. It looks so natural all the way around. You don't have to use any baby hairs or anything. Like, sometimes I feel like baby hairs mess certain units up. Like, when you have a unit like this, you don't want to add baby hairs and all that stuff. Like, it just looks good just like this. So if you guys are interested, I will leave a link for this down below, along with all the details. If you guys haven't sleep on these UNICE units, I'm telling y'all, UNICE is stepping up their game. 2025, they're not playing no games, okay? They're coming with that heat. So you might want to hop on this one, because this is just too bomb. Like, this isn't even glued down, y'all. Do y'all understand? Like, This is crazy. Lace is just fire. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. If you did, let me know by liking the video. Let me know your thoughts on today's look. Shout out to UNICE Hair for sponsoring today's video. Shout out to all of you guys for watching, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.